Hi guys, today I'm sitting inside the Kia Picanto second generation, which was made from 2011 to 2017. Let's change the time. So go to the middle panel. Here is a small screen and use the left knob press to switch on the system. And then next to the right knob there is a clock. You can press the number 3 button or turn the right side knob to the right position clock and then press the knob. Turn knob to clock setting and press, and simple just turn knob right or left to adjust the right hour. Press the knob and then you can change the minutes. When you finished, just press the knob, turn knob to the return, and it's all done. Thank you for watching. Hello happy Kia users, today I want to show you how to remove unwanted phone from Bluetooth system. So first, press the setting button once, go to number 4, phone, and press number 4, turn the knob to phone list and press the knob. Now go to unwanted phone and press the knob. Next, choose number 3, delete, press once, and all done. Unwanted phone is deleted. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Hi guys, today I want to show you how to replace a battery. So it's very simple, no tools needed. Let's do it. Press the button, open a key. At the back you will see the cover of the battery. Here is a simple cedar line which divides the key from the cover, the key fob from the cover. You must use both hands and both thumbs to pull the cover. And the type of the battery is a cell button battery, and the type is CR20323 volts.